Okay, so it's been a little bit since I've made a YouTube video, about a month or so, maybe almost 2 months. But like I said in my other videos, I've been moving, and we just moved out of our old house into our new townhouse that we purchased. And it's been a lot of work, and I've been, I don't know the word for it, but like not in the mood to draw, like having an artist block moment, basically. I just haven't been in the mood to draw, too much stuff to do, and yeah, so this video is just going to be me turning our upstairs closet into a art studio. There's two closets up there, so me and my fiance also have our own kind of office spaces that we're going to make them into. And I thought it was going to be a super fun video, so yeah. Also, if I change shirts a lot in this video, it's because I filmed this in different days because I've been kind of sick, and also, like I said, not in the mood to do anything really since there's been so much to do with the house. But let's get straight into the video. If y'all could, go down below, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll try to post more. I know it's been a long time, and I was doing really good before, but like I said, it's just been exhausting. But yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Oh, also, I might do a house tour eventually. Right now it's a little crazy, you can't really tell, but there's a lot of boxes everywhere. We're still working on everything, so there's just a whole list of things to do. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so this is our room. Like I said, don't mind the messiness right now. I got everything in the dryer cleaning blankets, but yeah, I also got a TV that's way too big for this, just kind of hanging there. You gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Bunch of boxes still left. I kind of cleared out this area. It was full of boxes and stuff. There's a lot in the closets, but see, there's this giant closet and then this even bigger closet over here. And so she's gonna put her desk in there and have like a little office, work, writing area. I'm gonna have a art studio here, and yeah. I wish I would have filmed me getting some of this stuff, because I got a shelf for a lot of my collectible stuff in there, and I got a desk. I got all that from a Restore in our local area. It's basically like a giant thrift store. I think people can bring in their stuff. I'm not sure if they pay them for this stuff, but they have super cheap prices. Like, I'm gonna tell you about everything I got and how much, but it's an amazing store, and I'm definitely getting a lot more furniture from there. We got a coffee table downstairs from there for like 20 bucks, and it's like huge. We're gonna paint it. So I got a lot of projects. But one thing about this room, or the upstairs, because we're upstairs and downstairs since it's a townhouse, upstairs gets a little hot, but also it's not that bad. It's a lot better than our last house. That was just an attic basically that I had my art studio up in, and we never used it. So much wasted space, and it was just like 100 degrees like in summer. But there's no ceiling fan or lighting fixture or anything, so we're kind of just using these little lamps. We might get like a standing one to put in the corner possibly, but for now, I mean, it works. Got a little bit of lighting. So I'm gonna show you everything I got from my closet. I already got it kind of set up, so I'm gonna do like some B-roll and stuff, and let's get right into it. So like I said, super junky at the moment because I have a lot of things to unpack. I've been working on the shelf so far, but there's like so much room in here. And we're just gonna get like a big dresser right here, like a big long one. I think we already ordered that to put all of our clothes in. And then our closets, like I said, will just be the offices. And this is my art studio so far, so let's do a little tour. I got this desk, like I said, from the Restore, and it was $29. It's like really good quality. There's like nothing really wrong with it. The paint looks good on it and everything. It's very smooth. It's got this fake kind of granite look to it. Not granite, marble. And it's got shelves, another reason why I got it. So I'm filling in that with a bunch of canvases, paper. There's some canvases back here too that kind of fit. Got my Prismacolor pencils, pens, everything there for now. And then this stuff I have to sort through. My easel, I got my little guy there. So this is gonna be like my art side. So I'm gonna put like some of my artwork up here, maybe some artwork that inspires me. A little board probably for like ideas. And then this will be my kind of collection side of some of my collecting stuff. That has to stay in here because this is like all my art stuff. I'm not really sure where else to put it at the moment. So all my paints, I'm gonna use this for sketchbooks too probably. And this is kind of like miscellaneous stuff at the bottom for now. Still need to do a lot of organizing, but I'm very happy with this shelf. So this shelf I actually got from the Restore as well. It's like taller than me. See, so it's like taller than me. I'm like 6 foot tall, so it's perfect, and have a lot of more storage to actually show off some of the things that I'm collecting. So that's pretty cool. I gotta patch this up because there was like a hook for the shelf that I took down. And this is pretty much my my pop collection. I got Yu-Gi-Oh figures. Got a little keychain in there. These are some of my new ones. And then Elemental Heroes. I love those. I might rearrange this too. I'm just kind of like putting it there for a placeholder. I got some of my manga that I've been collecting. I need to read some of those soon. Got my Chainsaw Man dude up here with the manga. Thought that was cool. My glittery Pikachu pop. Some Cubones, because I love Cubones. Those are my favorite. It's my favorite Pokemon. This flocked Sonic Knuckles. I thought that was pretty dope when I got it a long time ago. Got a little creepy Grimace back here. Cavern from Saints Row. I might try to resell that because I'm not a huge fan of the new Saints Row like I was. Here's some opened ones. I wish I would have kept Cubone in the box, but it's whatever. Some little figures, Kingdom Hearts, random anime girl from Temu, and Yor from Spy Family. I got some One Piece figures, some of my favorite characters. Goes with the anime. And then down here I got a bunch of cars and stuff from Fast Furious. I went through some of them, but... So yeah, it's coming along. Oh, up here too. I couldn't fit these on the shelves, so I put them on top, and it works perfectly. So it's some of my Cyberpunk characters and some One Piece characters. I got these on clearance actually for like 10 bucks each, so it's a good deal. But it's really coming along. I mean, I got a lot more work ahead of me. I might make another part to this video showing some of the stuff that I hang up and patching up stuff and making shelves possibly on the side here for things, art shelves. But yeah, I don't think I said this shelf that I got is like taller than 6 feet just about. That thing was like 29 bucks at the Restore. That was very annoying getting up these stairs, but also it's really thin, so it wasn't too bad. It was like straight up the stairs, so this is pretty light, the desk, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so this remote goes to this light up here. Closet didn't have any lights, so what I did was I went onto Temu. Temu is amazing. I definitely suggest going there because there's a lot of cheap stuff. I know it gets a lot of hate and stuff from people that buy from there, but honestly, in a lot of countries or in America, things are just so inflated. It's like ridiculous to get anything. A light like this I found on Amazon for like $30. This came with 2 of these, mind you. 2 remotes, 2 of those, $9. Like, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. And I love it. It's pretty cool. So you can like turn it off from this. See, not much light in here. Turn on. There's like a warm setting on here. Yep, so you get that nice like warm feel. I kind of like that, to be honest. Doesn't strain your eyes that much. And then they got warm and cool, so it's like a little more yellow. There's a brightness thing that's as bright as it gets, which I wish it was a little brighter, but for what it is, I mean, this thing lights up the whole closet. So that's great. There's like little timers on it too and stuff like that, auto night. I don't think I'm going to use any of that, but it's pretty cool. And the coolest thing about it, the main reason I got it is because you can just take it off, because it's just a magnet on the back. These things you just stick up and then you can just pop it right back on. There it is. But the main cool thing about that is that I can charge it. It's not batteries. So if I come here, I plug this into my lamp and it charges. It lasts about, I'd say, 2 days of use. Like, not very long, honestly. I'd say about 8 hours on charge it lasts, but honestly, for the money, I got 2 of them. I'll take it, you know? Also, sorry if you hear creaking. Our floors are like a little creaky. They were supposed to fix that when they put the carpet in, but that didn't happen, So yeah, this is mostly just like an update video, what I've been doing, where I'm at and everything, like I do after I've been gone for a little bit on YouTube. I know this probably won't get many views because it's not really like a big title or a niche thing or anything, but like I said, I'm gonna be working on this for a while and the whole house for a while because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I'll try to make small videos here and there, at least maybe some shorts, but I'll try to do also like small videos when I can. Once I set this up, I can have a lot more things to do. I have a list on my phone. I just don't have the time, basically. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I appreciate every single one of you, especially the ones that have stuck with me even after. Like, I know I'm not good at uploading. I know I slack. Last month or 2, I was doing really good. It was like 2 or 3 videos a week almost. I don't think I'm gonna be that consistent for a little bit, but I'm gonna try to, and they might be shorter videos, but I'll try. Like I said, down below, leave a comment what you like about this or what I should do. Maybe if you have any suggestions on things I could hang up that I've made in the past, or just what I could do in the space that would make it cooler, that'd be cool. And yeah, subscribe, like, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.